Hey guys, it's Tim over here at Heritage Ford in Corda, Indiana. Today we're going to be talking about a 2010 Camaro we got in on trade. So let's take a look at it. So we got this black Camaro 2010. We just took it on trade. It's got the red stripe going down the middle of it. Looks really good. You've got your 20-inch wheels, chrome wheels here. If we come on around the side, you got your decorative vent design there. It is an SS, so it looks really good. It's got that V8 motor in it with being an SS, so and like I said, you got that stripe going down the hood and down the trunk as well. While we're back here, let's go ahead and look at the trunk. Open the trunk up. You got plenty of space back in here in the trunk as well. So even though it is a two-door car, still got plenty of space to haul whatever you need to haul back there. So as we come on around to this side of it, again, all the wheels look good. Tires are still in really good shape. This is a pretty low mileage Camaro too. We'll talk about that here in just a second though. So, and then the last thing I want to talk about out here is it does have a sunroof in it as well. So let's take a look at the inside. All right, as we take a look at the inside in here, guys, you get your leather seats. On the back of the headrest, you do have your SS emblem in there as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get in and start it up here. So as you can tell, it sounds really good. It's got a nice, really nice sound to it. And if you lift up this lever back here, it's how you get into the back seats there. Your back seats, you do have two seats back there. They are leather as well. So, and that's gonna be it for the interior on right now. We'll talk more about it on our drive. All right, guys, so now we're gonna take this Camaro on a test drive. Like I said, it is a 2010 model. Sounds really good. I told you outside that it's got really low miles. So this Camaro has only 18,675 miles on it. So again, it's very low miles for this year. It was well taken care of as well. As we're getting out here, we'll talk about the buttons on the steering wheel here. So you got your basic cruise control, your audio and Bluetooth. So 2010, it did at least come with Bluetooth. So as you can see, it sounds really nice, even inside the car with it having that V8 motor. With it, the Camaros, if you got an SS1 or an SS2, both of them came with the V8 motor. If you got the LT models, they were the V6 motors. So we'll get on down the road here. Talk about the radio here. It does have your basic radio, AM, FM, XM radio available to purchase on there, CD and aux hookups as well. A couple other things we'll talk about is the climate. So, you know, you get your basic climate controls below the radio here, but you also have heated seats for both front seats. So it's really nice. And then you have below your climate controls, you've got your gauges for your oil pressure, your battery voltage, your oil temp, and your transmission temp as well. So as we're driving here, you can tell that it drives very smooth. Like I told you, the tires are still really good on them. So I mean, it's very comfortable to drive, and you still get that sporty feel with it being a Camaro. The best thing to say is it rides like a sedan, but drives like a sports car. So another thing I'll go ahead and talk about, it does have the manual part of the transmission, so it is an automatic transmission. You can throw it down in the M for manual, and then you can shift yourself on the buttons on the back of the steering wheel to give you that more sporty feel as well. And you can do that while driving. It'll automatically shift into the highest gear you're in. Like I said, it sounds really good. Plenty of power underneath it. Had no problem getting up and going down this straight stretch here at all. A couple other things I wanted to talk about. It does have heated mirrors, and it does have OnStar that you can purchase as well. So if you like that extra feel of safety, the OnStar is a great option. Just if anything happens, you can always reach out to them and they'll reach out to you. So we're going to take it around these S-curves, and I'll show you the handling these Camaros have. You can tell it handles very well. I'm not struggling to make these corners at all. and the car's not struggling to make them either. So we're going to be coming to the end of our test drive here. If you want to take a look at this vehicle or any other vehicle we have on our lot, make sure you come on down here to Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana, and see me. My name is Tim. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and we'll see you on the next one.